If you're lucky enough to be visiting the island of Santorini, then why not consider this place, the El Greco Resort, which is situated near the town of Thira, the capital of this beautiful island.
Hey guys, welcome to the El Greco Hotel, room 32. Come in. So this is our room. It's a, I guess, standard double room, I think. You know, just but very nice. So come in. Very rustic, very Greek. It's spacious, so we have a nice big kind of start here, double bed. Kind of nice little drawer space at either side. Quite like in the headboard actually. Headboard's quite nice. Anyway, so that's that. But actually the bed is actually quite big, isn't it? So it's probably bigger than the double, probably the queen size I think. But yeah, lots of space. Feels like it's missing some kind of desk or something here, although you have got the desk area here, mirror, TV, phone, stuff like that, aircon. And to be fair, the room feels very cool, doesn't feel hot. It's a lovely warm day outside, but it feels nice and cool inside. We've literally just arrived.
That's why they make them white.
Yes, indeed. So come outside. So we come out onto our balcony. So here we have a pool view, which is nice. All right. So we're at the end of a run here. So you know, definitely a nice view. You've got the rest of the hotel over there that you can see, and then you've even got a bit of a sea view here. So you know, we're ticking all the boxes from a view perspective. So I'm quite happy with that. So, and as you can see, it's a beautiful day. Balcony itself is quite spacious. We get a table and chairs. I like the fact that it's got a bit of shade. So this actually will be quite nice to sit out as well. I think there's a breeze, so you're feeling kind of fresh. You don't feel clammy or anything. Loving it, loving it, loving it. So that's it. That's the balcony, and that's the room. So let's go to the bathroom. So come this way. So let me just show you. So standard facilities, you've got tea and coffee with a kettle and stuff like that. Okay.
Jolly tea.
Jolly tea, yeah. Chamomile.
That's not Yorkshire tea, is it?
No, definitely not Yorkshire tea. Fridge, and it's a big fridge as well. So even one of the traditional fridges with a bit of a freezer compartment even. You want to freeze store in. So you get 2 bottles of water, one bottle per person, and you just get that for the first day, and then you have to supply your own water, so you get basically a bottle of water complimentary. There is a supermarket that apparently is probably within 5 minutes walk away as well.
And we brought our own Bombay Sapphire.
Yes, yeah.
And sparkling wine.
I was sliding past that.
That's not included.
That's not included, but we're on holiday. Or vacation, depending on where you're watching this. Wardrobe space, standard. To be fair, it's quite big. I mean, for hangers, safe. Awesome. Oh, it's kind of a quilt bedding stuff. Drawers, extra pillows, and then you've got the bathroom. So nice big walk-in shower. And it is a big shower as well. Rain shower as well. Don't know how powerful it is. Oh, that's pretty powerful. That's good. That's all good. Complimentary shower gel. I'm assuming that's shower gel and shampoo. And then this side of the room, you've obviously got the facilities, toilet, and a nice standalone little sink, which is quite like actually. It's quite nice. It's all good.
It's very on trend with the volcanic nature of the island.
Yeah. Hairdryer.
I'm not sure about that.
Eh?
I'm not sure about that. Don't manage.
There's no we. When it comes to use of a hairdryer, Ryan, there is no we in that statement for obvious reasons. So there you have it. That is room 32 at the El Greco Hotel here on the beautiful island of Santorini. So now we're going to show you the rest of the hotel.
So here we are at the end of a fantastic stay in Santorini. We've had a great trip and we've had a great stay here at the El Greco in Thira as well. And generally speaking, we really like the hotel and would come back here. There are a few points that we didn't like. One of them was breakfast probably wasn't that great. And then the second point, and it's only a very small point, this one, but we had to go, or you have to go to reception to get the towels for the pool every day, which it's a fairly big resort, even though it's quite low rise. It's quite a big resort, so having to traipse all the way up to reception. Bear in mind that we're at the opposite end of the resort. It's a bit of a pain. But
yeah, it is. It's a bit weird. So we just don't understand why there's no kind of towel stations by the pool. So there you go. But
yeah, but breakfast, we weren't overly keen on breakfast. It probably wasn't to our liking.
The selection wasn't. It wasn't extensive. There was a few things there. There's a couple of weird things, like you put the croissants on over these steamer things, don't they? Yeah. It's just a bit weird. But yeah, it's acceptable. But like I say, it could be a lot better. It could be a lot better.
We should say actually, so we've been staying bed and breakfast, but we have had some food around the pool on really an afternoon, and that's been really nice. So that's something to bear in mind.
Yeah.
So the hotel itself. It covers quite a large area, but as I say, it's quite low rise. It's not a huge resort.
No. It feels cosy, even though it, doesn't it?
But the pools, there's about 5 pools, and there's a couple of pools where are really, really quiet, really chilled, and we really like those because we could relax in an afternoon.
It's a very, very, very clean resort. I can't fault it at all.
Which brings us on to the rooms, because the rooms are very clean, they're very spacious, the beds are really comfortable as well, aren't they?
Yeah, and bathroom and housekeeping service, all top notch. So
in fact, the service pretty much around the entire hotel has been pretty good as well.
Yeah, they literally would. There were only 2 things that we would have issues with, which is the breakfast selection and the having to get the pool towels. That's it. Everything else has been perfect.
Yeah, and we should say that it's literally about maybe a 7 or 8 minute walk right into the heart of Thira. So it's a great location. When you walk out of the hotel, you've got some brilliant views right across the bay. So, would we stay here again? Yes, we definitely would.
Yeah.
Yeah, just, we've had such a good stay, and Santorini is beautiful. If you ever get the opportunity to come to this beautiful island, make sure you do.
You do. And the El Greco should be on your list of places to stay without a shadow of a doubt. So hopefully you've enjoyed that, and don't forget to follow us on YouTube and give us a thumbs up, and check out our website as well, www.theglobeguys.com.
Yeah, definitely don't forget to subscribe to us on YouTube.
Yeah,
and hit that bell button so you get instant notifications every time we drop new content. But from the beautiful island of Santorini, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next destination, wherever that may be.
See you later.
Bye.